YouTube nerds! I'm back. Today's little swap is going to be the 73 Pontiac Firebird. Oh yeah! Look at it. And the donor vehicle is going to be this 69 Garage Camaro. Now I don't think I'm going to have to worry about making axles because I think the axle length is in perfect shape. Already drilled them. All I got to do now is blast them apart. Ski go. Here you go. It looks like this see it come apart here. There you go. Pontiac. Look at the wheel tubs in that bad boy. Oh yeah. Okay, let's take it apart. And let's pull the Camaro. Camaro's only a 1-pin. Firebird's got 2 pins. There's the Camaro. The Camaro. Let's cut the axles out. There's the front one. There's the back one. There's the Firebird chassis. Backs out. Front's out. There you go. Now, do I got to worry about axles? Yeah, all right. Oh, this is gonna be cake. All right, so we're gonna tap the body. Oh, first. Relieve the post, and we'll tap her out. Turn and a half, 2 turns, 2.5 turns, and back it out and keep going again. Make sure you keep the threads clean. You don't want to break the tap off, otherwise you'll never get it out. Here you go. This is Kirk. There you go. Okay. Put the winder back in her. Put the interior back in her. Okay. We lay the chassis plate back on there. Give us a couple of screws. Oh man. Well, I'm not real happy with these wrenches. We're not real happy with these wrenches. This RC one works out great. I've never had any trouble with it rounding off. May have to scrap them little cheapy wrenches. I don't know. They're just not holding up. So if you get the kit, you're going to have to end up going out looking for one of these at the RC shop. There you go. Look at that. Break out the hats and hooters. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Now the little Camaro. I can just slam it back together with the mainline wheels. Let's do that for grins. Got to relieve the post. Just like that. Perfecto. And I'll tap it. You can tap it apart, together, don't matter. Throw some threads in it. It's no problemo. It's no problemo. So this is just give you another variation to the car. Different wheels. I like to collect certain castings with different wheels and colors and stuff. So this one only takes one screw. Here you go. Look at that. Doesn't look bad at all. And I can either put that in the collection or use that as a giveaway car. There you go. On a side note, has absolutely nothing to do with Hot Wheels, but I work at a school and they throw these dry erase markers out by the gross. You know, the little kids use them and the tips get jammed in there. I'll show you a little trick I discovered. Take your pair of needle nose, pull a tip out, get a brand new tip on the other end. Flip it around, snap it back in place. You got a good magic marker. Just another little tip from your friend the Little Car Garage. Bye bye for now. Bye bye for now.